Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get best FPS on Roblox by using Blockstrap. So download the Blockstrap by going to github.com. So after downloading the app, just simply install it on your PC. Okay, after the installation process has been completed, open the Blockstrap and choose configure settings, and then go to engine settings. Here you go. Here is the engine settings. Here, just do what I am doing. So this setup is for the low-end PC. So if you have a low-end PC, so you can use this setup and you can get best FPS in Roblox. And press save. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys like it. By using this formula, you can get the best FPS.